Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset Life360 password. If you have forgotten your Life360 password, do not worry. Resetting is a straightforward process. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the Life360 app on your smartphone. Now let's say you've forgotten your password and you have trouble accessing the password. Once you launch the Life360 app, it's going to take you to the login screen. On the login screen, go ahead and tap on the forgot password with the question mark option. Once you click on that, input the email address or phone number associated with your Life360 account. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on continue. A password reset link will be sent to your email or a verification code via SMS, depending on the information you provided. Follow the link or enter the code to access the password reset page. Enter your new password must be at least 8 characters long. It must include at least one letter. It must include at least one number. It must include at least one special character. No spaces or emojis. If you do not receive the reset email or SMS, check your spam or junk folder. After resetting your password, you may be prompted to verify your phone number. If not logged in, open the Life360 app and tap sign in. Enter your phone number or email and tap continue. Then enter the 6-digit code received via SMS and tap continue. If already logged in, tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of your screen of your app, and once you do that, go ahead and select account, and then from account tap on phone number, then enter your phone number and tap continue. Enter the 6-digit code received via SMS and tap continue. Enter your phone number can receive SMS messages. Landline phones and some virtual text services may not be compatible. If you enter the verification code incorrectly multiple times, your ability to verify your phone number may be temporarily disabled for 24 hours. After this period, you can request a new code. If you're not receiving the reset email, ensure you've entered the correct email address and check your spam or junk folder. If the issue persists, consider contacting Life360 support for assistance. Of course, if you receive a message stating your phone number is already in use, you may need to claim your phone number or contact Life360 support for assistance. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.